Good morning, my dear students. I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. I want to remind you, on my previous class, I taught you about degradation, causes of land degradation, and about the process by which we solve the problem of land degradation. What is the meaning of land degradation and what are the process by which we solve the problem of land degradation? Today I shall throw light on that topic and show. At first, today I want to teach you the topic soil resources, and at first I want to tell you the meaning of soil. What is the meaning of soil? You know this, soil is the thin upper layer of the earth. The thin upper layer of the earth is called soil, and the quality of that soil is suitable for growing crops, plants and trees. Crops, plants and trees are grown with the help of soil on the earth. Next point I want to explain, soil is the combination of four main types of substances. These are silica, clay, chalk and humus. At first I want to explain you about the clay. Clay is the mixture of silicates and contains several minerals like iron, potassium, calcium, sodium and aluminum. All these elements are the combination of soil. After that, I want to tell you about the humus. What is the meaning of humus? Humus is an organic matter which is performed by decomposition of plant remains and dead animals. Once again, I want to explain before you about the humus. What is the meaning of humus? Humus is an organic matter which is performed by decomposition of plant remains and dead animals. And after that, humus is the most important element of the soil which maintains fertility of the soil. Humus maintains fertility of the soil. And next point, soil looks dark due to the presence of humus. If humus is present in the soil looks dark. Now, next point, now I want to explain, and these are the different topics. I want to explain different topics, and at first I want to explain about the topsoil. What do you know about topsoil? What is the meaning of topsoil? What is the definition of topsoil? This soil is of great importance. It is only few meters deep from the surface of the earth. In topsoil, millions of bacteria, insects, and worms are found. It takes many years to form topsoil. It takes many years. And after many years, topsoil is formed. Next point, I want to tell you about the subsoil. The subsoil contains plant food and moisture. The soil is not so productive as the topsoil. If we make comparison of subsoil and topsoil, the subsoil is not so much productive. And for today, this is the end point of the topic, and next day I shall explain you the further topic. Bye.